Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Mini Countryman. This is the Cooper Business Edition 2-litre diesel. It's a 6-speed automatic, first registered September 2015 on a 65 registration, just the one former keeper from new. Car benefits from a comprehensive service history comprising 5 services, last of which was done August 2021 at 58,000 miles. Next oil service is due in 10,000 miles or August 2023. MOT is valid through until the 3rd of April 2023 with no advisories. It's a 2-litre Euro 5 diesel engine which produces 110 brake horsepower. It is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 50.4 to the gallon. Good set of tyres on this with 5.2 and 6mm of tread to the front and 4.5 and 5mm of tread to the rear. That is on the upgraded 17-inch dual stoke black alloy wheels. This Mini is in very good condition both externally and internally for age and mileage of which a fraction over 65,000 miles. It benefits from the polar beige gravity leather with lumbar support to both front seats. A number of other options on the vehicle including privacy glass. It's got tow bar electrics, no tow ball present, rear parking sensors, multi-function steering wheel, obviously Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, AM/FM radio as well as DAB radio, CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music streaming, as well as the additional auxiliary and USB inputs. All the service lights are green. Please do view the images for full information. The car has just had a new set of front brake pads fitted. Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form, as well as the interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The car will be supplied with a set of tailored carpet mats, book packs present, both remote control keys, as well as the inflator and locking wheel bolt. The car is also motor check clear, information of which can also be found on our website. Thank you for watching this video.